This is the Bosch Rexroth stand. We're showcasing our solutions for process and packaging machinery. In the background, the mesmerising one you can see is a VarioFlow Plus conveyor system. That's usually a transfer system between process lines. We've got drives and motors over here, our IndraDrive MI, which is cabinet-free drive solution. So instead of putting the drives into a separate electrical cabinet that might be 20 or 30 feet away from the actual machine, you can actually build the drives inside the machine. So it allows you to have very short cabling runs and daisy chain them all together. So the cost of actually wiring the machine up, putting the machine together is a lot less. This is our Industry 4 solution here. This is our Bosch Rexroth ActiveAssist. It's basically a manual workstation, but it's completely monitored. So you've got automation type quality. You can't actually physically make a manual mistake. So it allows you to assemble quite complex pieces of equipment manually, but it checks every stage of the production and won't let you move on if you pick the wrong part from the wrong bin or if you assemble it incorrectly. So you basically get no fault forward and almost zero rejects from it. So Bosch Rexroth, really we're helping people adopt Industry 4 with systems like that. We've also got we've got a thing called the Bosch Rexroth IoT Gateway, which allows you to retrofit legacy machines. So any machine, even if it's 20, 30 years old, you can add an IoT gateway and make it Industry 4. They're very cheap and simple. So the gateway plus the software and a sensor is around £1,500. So it allows you to get very cheaply start on your Industry 4 journey. And the thing I think that Bosch Rexroth brings to the party with Industry 4 is we've always said from the beginning that you don't have to reboot your whole factory from start for Industry 4. You start small, buy an IoT gateway system, gather some data, learn from it, move on, and then start small and build bigger from knowledge. So you can effectively start very small, build your Industry 4 factory from the ground up.